Okay, so welcome back. This is part two to the RCA Victor BP10. It's probably going to be a part three and hopefully no part four, but for now, we're going to get into my parts came in. So let's get into it and see where we're at. If you remember from the last one, the radio did not play at all. So let's get into it and see where we're at. Okay, so here we are. You can see that camera's going crazy here. This was JB welded on, so that's not going to come off anymore. And my caps came in. I recapped it, and I have to tell you, I never subscribed to the outside foil on caps, getting the outside foil correct on the caps. Had them all changed except one. Turned it on, and it was playing fine, and then I had one less left to do. And when I changed that cap, this is actually goes from the plate to the grid of the audio output tube. And it was squealing like crazy after I changed it. I flipped the cap around, squealing went away. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to pause you guys. I'll get my new old stock battery. My new old stock battery. Good old Duraleak. Definitely not going to leave this battery in. But anyway, I got that in. And I'm going to hook up some power and turn this on so you can hear it. I know you guys are probably sitting there having a stroke because you can see the yellow caps inside this 80-year-old radio. Well, I was thinking about covering them, but hey, let's face it, I also have to cover the outside of the frame as well, so it's not original. It's all been recapped. Yeah, you see the yellow caps when you look. You're gonna be looking in like this. You'll see the yellow caps, but unfortunately, that's the way it is. I decided not to cover them. I was going to try to cover them with brown paper, and I gave up. I said, nah, it's not worth it.
Out late Saturday afternoon, and
Okay.
then told police he didn't remember if he returned them to the owner, Eusebio Baez's apartment. Then he called Baez Sunday.
Fill out that simple form. At least we can provide you with some information.
Don't forget the antenna's in here, so if the antenna's not in the right orientation.
So they get a B in Vegas, they're in Sacramento, two teams playing in minor league park.
Tomorrow evening as well, it'll stay mostly cloudy. A chance of showers early tomorrow night, and better chance of that rain happening after midnight. About 50 degrees. And then looking ahead to Friday, it'll be cloudy. Showers are likely, mostly in the morning. Still relatively warm with a high of about 58. You're listening to WNYC. It's a Wednesday at just about 4:35.
Anybody of a and those that aren't have memories. I mean, it's one thing if you've heard this as you've grown up. It's another thing when you heard these records when they were released and you hear them in the environment of the time that they're released and how they
Probably going to get
life and how
hammered.
they impacted you. And Elton John is just
Probably going to get hammered on a.
the creator of the soundtrack.
Shouldn't be having music in the background. But anyway, this is where we're at.
Life for so many people.
This is where we're at for now.
So many hits. These things are just
And when the door closes,
they bring us
it shuts it off.
This one sound always
The switch is in the lid.
brings a smile to my face as soon as I hear it.
Turn that off, otherwise I will get caught. And just stand by. I'll show you the frame, what's been done to that. Okay, so here's the frame. No, I didn't fix the handle yet, but it's together for now. And next thing I'm going to do is spray it with a primer. I'm waiting for the Tolex to come in. And that's where we're at. All right. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys watching this. I've never worked on one of these personal radios from 1940, 41, 42, somewhere around there. So again, thanks for watching. When the Tolex comes in, I'll do a why does this light keep changing here? Driving me nuts. I have to make a pattern, obviously. I can't just lay it on there. I have to make a pattern, get it on, and then I'll show you as I go how I'm doing. Mistakes and all. Take care until the next time.